Once you download the Kathaipetti app, this would be your login screen. So after you give your mobile number, you will receive an OTP through which you can log in. If you're a first time user, you will also be asked your name and email ID. Once you log in, this is our home page on which stories have been categorized as what's the latest, the trending, and based on various genres and what is coming soon. We also have a search icon which you can search stories based on title, genre, or language. This is a setting or profile page where you can, it'll be like a mini dashboard for you. You'll be able to see the user profile, change your image, and see the permissions that you have and all that. So from your home screen, you can choose any story of your liking and just listen to it as is. It'll open into a mini player. And from the mini player itself, you can click that yellow icon to personalize the voice in which you want to hear the story. So you can choose any of the voices, personalize the characters, and add it to a playlist. You can do the same personalization from by expanding the mini player and going into the story detail page. So you can choose out of the public voices or create your own voice as well. Apart from the voice, you can also personalize the characters in the story. So we would give you a list of characters in the story. You can put in a name of your choice. If the person also tends to be a female, then you put she. If the person that you're inputting is a male, then you need to change the gender so that the story is personalized accordingly. You can decide to add this personalized story to an existing playlist, which is my playlist default, or you can also create your own playlist and put in a name. Once you're done with your personalization and click on proceed, the screen will move to the playlist where the inferenced personalized story is still being generated. Story that's playing in the background, you can swipe left to cancel it. Our voices tab in the app will list down all the voices that is ready for use. We have a list of public voices and also the custom voices that you created. You can also directly record or upload a voice from here. If you want to start recording your voice, you can click on record and we will display a script. You can choose to read it in English or Tamil and language of your choice, and you can zoom in or out the size of the text based on your convenience. We would like you to read for a minimum of 60 seconds. The more, the better. Once you're done, click on the tick mark to submit, or if you want, click on the cancel if you want to restart. Once you submit, please enter the details that you like to, like the picture and your name, and if you like to give a description, and you can go ahead and save it. Once you submit and confirm, the voice would take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to be ready to be available for use. Voice training is currently in progress, and once the training is completed, you will see a green tick, which means the voice is now available for personalization. Instead of recording, we'd also choose to upload your voice. Again, that voice file, it has to be a file and it has to be a minimum of 60 seconds to be able to be accepted and used for training. This is a playlist screen in which all the stories that you personalized or you added to playlist will be displayed. You can also create your own custom playlist from here. You can choose to add stories even without personalization directly to the playlist. This is the activities tab of our app. Based on the stories that you've added to the playlist, we would be generating activities like word search and Q&A. You can either skip or press on complete and look at all the other activities that we have generated for you so that the child stays very engaged to the stories that they hear.